Shocking! This car uses only 4 liters per 100 kilometers, yet feels like a luxury jet inside. We're talking about the 2026 Lexus ES 300h. This isn't just a car, it's a perfect combination of comfort, technology, and efficiency. And in this video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about it. Let's start with the design. At first glance, the 2026 Lexus ES 300h looks elegant, but once you focus on the details, you realize how aggressive and modern it actually is. The front features Lexus's signature spindle grille, now sharper and more refined. The LED headlights are slimmer, giving the car a futuristic and premium appearance. From the side, the car has long, flowing lines that improve aerodynamics and give it a smooth silhouette. At the rear, the taillights are sleek and eye-catching, especially at night, creating a distinctive lighting signature. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The Lexus ES 300h comes with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine. Combined with an electric motor. Together, they produce around 215 horsepower. While that may not sound extremely powerful, the way this car delivers power is incredibly smooth. Acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour takes about 8 to 9 seconds. But this car is not built for racing. It's built for comfort and efficiency. And here's where it gets really interesting. Fuel consumption is one of the biggest highlights. In the city, it averages around 4 to 5 liters per 100 kilometers. On the highway, it can be even lower. That's extremely impressive for a luxury sedan of this size. The hybrid system also allows the car to drive in full electric mode at low speeds. This means in traffic or city driving, the car can move almost silently. And that brings us to one of the strongest features of this car: silence. When you sit inside the Lexus ES 300h, you immediately notice how quiet it is. Road noise is minimal, engine noise is barely noticeable, and the cabin feels like an isolated, peaceful environment. Now let's step inside the interior. The cabin is where this car truly shines. High-quality materials are everywhere. Soft-touch surfaces, premium leather, and elegant trim details. Everything feels well-built and refined. The seats are extremely comfortable and designed for long journeys. You can drive for hours without feeling tired, which makes this car perfect for daily use as well as long trips. In the center, you get a large infotainment display with support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system is smooth and easy to use. The sound system is also impressive, delivering clear and rich audio, perfect for music lovers. Behind the steering wheel, you have a digital instrument cluster that displays all essential driving information. There's also a head-up display that projects key data onto the windshield, helping you keep your eyes on the road. Now let's talk about safety. Lexus has equipped the ES 300h with a full package of advanced safety features. These include adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, pedestrian detection, and blind spot monitoring. All these systems work together to make driving safer and less stressful. Another important aspect is the ride quality. The suspension system is tuned for maximum comfort, The car absorbs bumps and rough roads very well, making the ride smooth and relaxing. The steering is light and precise, especially useful in city driving. Parking is also easy thanks to cameras and sensors that assist the driver. Let's not forget practicality. The trunk space is large enough for family use, shopping, or travel. It's a very practical sedan despite its luxury focus. So, who is this car for? If you want excellent fuel efficiency, a quiet and smooth ride, premium comfort and technology, then the Lexus ES 300h 2026 is a perfect choice. However, if you're looking for a sporty, aggressive driving experience, this might not be the car for you. To sum it all up, the 2026 Lexus ES 300h is all about balance. It gives you luxury, efficiency, reliability, and comfort in one package. It's a smart investment for anyone who wants a stress-free and refined driving experience. If you enjoy videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Stay updated with the latest technology cars and never miss what's coming next. And I kindly ask for your support. Subscribe, like, and help the channel grow.